Hello, we are here already in the Babylon. You see? Here, there is event daw here. That one is the entrance. Ayan o yung flags. Oh. Ayan. Yung event. So, ayun si Madam. At saka si Sisi. Ayun. Asa na ba? Oh, ayan si Madam at saka si Sisi. Oh. Hello. Hello, Babylon. We go inside na. We are here from out. We are excited. Okay. We go inside. Ayan na yung car. Ayan car na drive. It's long time ago na yan with Sisi. It's the same like with Sisi. That one is favorite Sisi. Akin na yung ano. Favorite yan ni Celine. That is car, the favorite of Celine. It's the favorite. Wow, Sisi for the wedding. It's favorite car with Sisi. It's our dream. Oh, say? Nice. Nice car. Okay. With madam, and the grandma, the mother and the grandmother of Sisi. And this one is the Christmas tree. Very nice yung Christmas tree nila. Ayan. Yela. Nice yung Christmas. Lagi kasi hindi. Yela. Gina. Video or picture? Yela. Just one only? Yela. Okay? Yela. 1, 2, ready? Oh yeah, one lang. You said one only. Oh, okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
And me also. That is the car. Oh, the red car and the Christmas tree. Ayan na. Ayan na. Nice car. Hindi kasi ako, I'm always like, always come here. I just come here. Sometimes if Madam she has an event, they have invited. And mostly Christmas tree. So that's why, look, very nice yung Christmas tree nila. Sus, ang dami ko pa naman bit-bit. Hindi nga, no, in my... Yela, go, Sisi. No. Not allowed, Celine. Oh, with the carosa. Very nice. And that is the Babylon. And the madam, the grandmother, the mother and the madam and si Sisi. Okay. And that is the Babylon stuff. And this one is the entrance. It's the entrance gate. Oh, entrance sa ano ba? Entrance door. The other side. The one that we go, that is only beside door. Oh, beside door. Oh, it's experience. Merry Christmas. No, it's Merry Christmas. Ayan yung malaking aquarium nila. From there until dito sa akin. Yan yun. Yan. Ayan yun. Maganda yung ano nila. Maganda yung car. Motor. Ayan o yung motor. The motor. Yung motor. Ang ganda ng motor. Ayan o. Ang ganda ng motor. Ang ganda ng motor. Ayan yung boat nila sa Christmas tree. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ang ganda naman ang Merry Christmas nila. Ang ganda ng cute. Bye-bye mo.